In this video, we'll be covering how to pay less taxes and grow your wealth. Hey, what's up? I'm Marc Terribilini, and I'm all about achieving financial independence through real estate investing and online business. So if you're new to the channel and you're looking to achieve financial freedom for yourself, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button down below. It really does help me out, and I'll keep cranking out these videos. In the spirit of tax season, I wanted to create this video to share my opinion on taxes and how I can help you possibly lower your own tax burden. I'm going through a number of notes here. So the average American will pay around $525,000 in taxes in their lifetime, which comes out to about 34% of your earnings. And that's a lot of money. But I don't want to sit here and say that taxes are bad and you should pay zero taxes at all. I think they're a good thing because it supports the country, the economy, builds infrastructure, maintains defense, all these things you need to support a country. So taxes are not a bad thing, but most people don't like to pay them. They dislike them, they tolerate them, they dismiss them. But I want to kind of express in this video a different lens that you could look at it from. So I kind of view taxes as a book of incentives. And basically what that means is the government wants you to do certain things, so they incentivize you to do them by lowering your taxes. And so this can be, providing jobs, providing housing or energy, things like that. And these incentives encourage behavior that grow the economy. And so you have all these companies out there like Amazon or Tesla, and people get bothered that they pay zero in taxes. And the thing is they provide massive growth for the economy. They're providing tons of jobs and just stimulating the economy like crazy. And if they tax them heavily, it disincentivizes them. So there needs to be tax cuts for them to continue doing what they're doing, because it encourages that kind of behavior. And my advice is you don't want to fight this. The tax code is there for a reason. It incentivizes certain things. So my recommendation is to learn how to use that to your own advantage. So I challenge you to learn about the tax code and use it for your own benefit. Think of it like, I'm going to give an analogy here. So think about a farmer. I think they go out and buy all the equipment, all the seed, all the fertilizer, irrigation's all set up, everything's all set, and they plant everything at the completely wrong time. And they do that every year, and their crops always fail every single time. And they say, well, I think the season should change. This isn't right. Whereas if they just, did things in the correct order, learned how the seasons work and planted things at the correct time, things would grow and their crops would, do just fine and they would flourish. And so think of it that way. It's like, learn how the tax code works and then follow the steps and do what you need to do to grow your wealth. And so in learning how to use this to your own advantage, you need to learn how to help grow the economy. So that's going to be, starting a business and, providing, employment for people, purchasing rental real estate and renting it out to people. Or if you want to work in like the energy sector, that's another possibility as well. But basically you need to help grow the economy in some way to lower your tax burden. And it's going to either, help reduce your tax burden, or you could get it down to actually even zero, depending on how much you're trying to stimulate the economy. So my advice basically in this video is to learn the tax code and use it to your advantage, so you can grow your wealth a lot faster than, fighting it all the time. So if you like this content, be sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.